Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm giving you guys another hair review. This wig is coming from Asteria Hair. Everything about her will be in my description box below. So let's get started. So as y'all can see, she is 26 inches. The cap size is a small, and she does come with that HD lace. That is the inside of the unit. She is very full. So these are the things that I needed before actually laying the wig down on my head. I'm using that edge control from Softy to kind of push my hair back a little bit. Y'all, every time I put a wig on, I'll be like, wow, my forehead is really big. Going years seeing that, wow, my forehead is big, especially when I get to choose where my hairline sits with a wig, baby. I am going to reapply and take off this wig at least 2 to 3 times. This is my first attempt putting on this wig. Like I said, I will be putting it on and taking it off because I did not like the positioning of it. And also this wig like scrunched up in the front as far as the lace. Y'all can already see it, but I just thought melting the band on was going to, like, you know, smooth it out. Baby, no, it didn't. Okay, maybe I need to cut some of this lace off, take her off, and then try to reapply her again. I like the positioning of where this wig was sitting, and you're going to see at the end, I personally didn't like how far I put the wig hairline. Do not, I repeat, do not do this. Taking this wig off dry like that messed up my skin. And it's like, I knew better, baby. I knew better. But as y'all can see, she's still scrunchy. So it's like, okay, let me just keep going. I just want to just show y'all what this hair is giving. Like I said, do not do this. Do not do this. It will definitely irritate your skin. That's some good adhesive, but please, y'all, do not do what I just did. The hair is really soft. I love how full it is. For my girls that love big curly hair, you definitely would love this unit. So here's the final application of me putting on this wig. Looks good until I went on and took the whole band off. Did all of that just for it to still scrunch up, y'all. So I tried to disguise it, like, who cares, y'all ain't gonna see it. I was gonna put hair in the front, but I was like, yeah, no, I don't even like how this looks. So I used the 2 adjustable straps that are in the back and I tied it up. Right now I am using my Nairobi foaming mousse to kind of give you that wet and wavy look. For it to stay, I sprayed some of that Kiss adhesive on it. Overall, I really did like this unit. Literally, I didn't have to do anything. All I had to do was just put her on, wear her up, and keep it moving. The curls are really nice. It's really soft. The wig has minimum shedding and tangling. Like I said, I love how easy this unit was to put on. Everything about this unit will be in my description box below. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank Asteria Hair for sending me this unit. I have 4 synthetic units that I am thinking about reviewing either this week or next week. So stay tuned for those. I'm really excited about those, y'all. I hope you guys like that. I'm dipping my toe a little bit into the vlogging era. Just giving y'all, small pieces of me that has nothing to do with hair and everything. So I appreciate you guys for watching that and supporting that content. But of course, I know why y'all are here. So I will never abandon that fact because trust me, y'all, I still love me a good wig. But I truly appreciate you guys for supporting me on my last content as well. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.